What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I have a gazillion tabs up. So let's just get started. First of all, we're going to start off. I don't know if I just turned New York or whatever, what accent that was, but we're going to start off at Tractor Supply. And a lot of these deals are going to be reminders because I don't know how much longer they'll last. And clearly they're inappropriately marked. So we have this new Makita kit that comes with their grease gun. It comes with their big boy, top of the line, compact impact wrench that produces 430 foot-pounds of torque. That's best in class there. They have the flashlight. And then they have a 3 amp hour battery charger and a hard case for it all. It's $259. When you added the cart, it's $259. But the thing is, you gotta find it. It's going in and out of different places, so just check around. Just putting in zip codes that I know. So check, ain't nothing in Atlanta. Jeez. Okay. Oh yeah, there you go. Mount Airy, Maryland has one. So yeah, just go ahead and type in your stuff and see if one is there. What you want to do is, if you do find a place, like let's say here Wichita, if you do find a place, what you want to do is make the purchase online. Okay, so you want to go ahead and say you want to pick up in store, and then wait for them to tell you that it's available. Not only that, I almost forgot, you have Rakuten. Rakuten will give you 2% cash back on top of that. If you're new to Rakuten, you sign up using the link in the description. You have to do that. You'll get a bonus $30 cash back on your first purchase. So that could super sweeten that deal. $249. That's just a few dollars more than what this compact impact wrench costs. You can get on that other good stuff. Moving on, I'm going to just stay in my cart. Makes it easier. Let's not forget about the Bosch 5-in-1 flex click system. Now, for me, it's been a lot of disappointment because I actually was able to grab this 140 FCB, and I was excited until a week later, the 300 FCB, the brushless one, went on sale. And as it turns out, they were mismarking everything, and they've taken it completely off the website. They were mismarking everything, selling people 300 FCBs, the brushless ones, but giving them the brushed ones. And while this is still an absolute incredible steal of a deal, y'all know. So anyway, moving on, we have this Makita reciprocating saw, and then this one could be shipped. This is on sale for $129. Well, this is on sale, but honestly, I don't know whether, it's not brushless. So it's not like it's their tippy top of the line. And usually you'd see with the strokes per minute, you see like 3,000 to 3,200 strokes per minute on a tippy top of the line reciprocating saw. But it has the length though, the 1 1/4 inch stroke. I'm sure it's pretty good. One thing about Makita, what they do, they always like undersell stuff. So here we go. Let's check out. Let's look around. We see everywhere it's about 134. It's 134, 129 at Tractor Supply. A few dollars less, and plus, actually, no, we're going to take a look at that at Zorro because Zorro offers better and more cash back. See? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, y'all, I just discovered something new. Zorro has 14% cash back. I don't know what you might be looking for. We did find this Makita reciprocating saw. Yo, 14% cash back? I know a lot of you like, it's cash back. It's not 14% off. I don't get it right now. Look, that's why you broke. You broke if you think like that. You really are, because you are very short-sighted, okay? This is 14% check in the mail back on what you purchased. I still have $126 I need to redeem from Retail Me Not. That's the thing about Retail Me Not. You gotta make sure you remember to actually redeem your money. I'd be forgetting. So yeah, look, buy from here. Buy from Zorro. That's $129 here at Tractor Supply. It's $134 at Zorro, but you get again, Rakuten, but if you, and still 4% on top of that, but if you've already done your Rakuten and gotten your bonus, 14% cash back over at Zoro. And you don't have to just buy this, just shop. Whatever you were looking for, whatever tool, type it in, because Zoro is a pain in the butt to try to find deals. Moving on, if you can find this, I couldn't find one single store with this in stock. I think I could. It was some place in Randomsville, Kansas, that had this in stock. I think it was Fort Scott, Kansas, had this in stock for $99. That's half off. Excellent deal for this reciprocating saw. But we have some more deals on this reciprocating saw. Matter of fact, let's just go to them now. All right, here it is over at Amazon for $143, and then at Tools Direct. Now, here's the thing about Tools Direct. I'm gonna just address. Okay, this is from Tools Direct on eBay. Now, again, these are going to be like returns. They might be brand new. It might be returns. So you're going to have to check it out when you get it. It's not available. But this breaks down to be $90. And one person did say that Rakuten wouldn't give them that $30 bonus with eBay. But I don't know if they changed it since then. That was months ago. But these tools and stuff, this is under, look, listed in category home and garden. 1%. Home and garden. So I've been telling y'all you won't get your $30 bonus, but you will. Oh my goodness. You will get your $30 bonus off anything you buy at Tools Direct. So, man, that really sweetens all these super sweet deals, especially if they come and they're new and they're in good shape. So, and again, remember, anything you buy from Milwaukee through Tools Direct, go to their store, they're going to have, you go to the store, all the Milwaukee stuff is going to have a warranty already. But I didn't see any crazy Milwaukee deals. This is not bad, but that's fuel. That's this tool only. And this one's a kit with a high output battery too, with 30% off. This is actually not too bad. So anyway, let's keep moving because I'm all over the place today. So anyway, the whole point is you can get it for $90 here at Tools Direct. If you want to get it from Amazon, you can get it for $143. Or if you're near the Tractor Supply, you can get it for $99. And there you go. Moving on. Over at Ohio Power Tool, they had this Ego Power Plus Nexus 3000 watt portable power station. So yeah, anyway, it's today only. You get $120 off that. If that's your thing, you're looking for one of those. $120 off that today. And moving back on over to eBay with Tools Direct, you know, you can search through stuff, but I just wanted to go over some things that I talked about. One, yesterday, you guys were killing that Dewalt, that Microsoft, that DWS 779. It's only 11 left. Yeah, this is a great deal, and even sweeter now that we know that it does qualify for Rakuten. So I hope all y'all at least try to do that bought it yesterday. But I mean, if not, you know, it's 1%, but hey, I'll take that $2.30 because this breaks down to be $230. Moving on. This deal was from 2 days ago. Moving on, we have this Dewalt Impact Wrench. Breaks down to be $83.30. And this is the DCB 921B. Yeah, DCF 921B. And everywhere else, I believe it's like $219. Yeah, $219. $199 at Lowe's, $239 at Zoro. So yeah, $83. There you go. It's 27 of them too, so they have quite a few. I want to also again remind you because these have been going out. It was a whole bunch of these available. $40. This is $30, 30% off the $40 plus your Rakuten. I mean, this portable pressure washer super cheap. I don't know how great it is. I highly doubt you'll be able to do. This is like one of those things like if you needed to do some siding on a house and it was in a weird spot, like you just whip this out for like siding that's low to the ground. Because again, it's only 320 PSI. Or you were washing a car. Like this would be perfect for that. And the car was, you know, far away. It was in a parking lot. Some you lived in an apartment complex. Like this is perfect for stuff like that. You cleaning furniture. Anyway, $40. This breaks down to be $28. $28, free shipping. I don't know why I'm not doing this. I mean, it's worth of travel. $28. $28. What am I thinking? $28? That's crazy. Anyway, moving on, we have this DeWalt brushless compact bandsaw. So let me show you what it looks like. It looks like this compact bandsaw, and this breaks down to be 105. It is on Amazon for 160. So there you go with that. And then we also have this heavy duty work stand for 99. It's not 99, $69 after your 30% off. Doesn't include your Rakuten again. I just want to show you guys that Home Depot, it is actually on sale though for 120. But I mean, that's almost literally double the price. Moving on again, I've already talked about the reciprocating saw. And lastly, finally, I want to remind you guys that Direct Tools is having a big sale this weekend. It's going to end probably today, I'm sure, where they're having up to 50% off stuff. It's 40 to 50% off. Plus, you get free shipping. Free shipping this weekend, which very seldom comes. So take advantage of that while you can, while the getting is good. If you want to know like what deals over here are good, check out my video from 2 days ago. I'll link to it in the description, and it'll be in the end cards of the video. And that is that. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, I ask you to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.